Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this tablet. First of all, you need to locate calendar app and access it. Now pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and create your event by selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now adjust it however you wish to. For example, add title. Then pick starting hour over here and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now tap on does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select does not repeat. Now you can add people, select add location over here, type in an address and just click on correct result. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, take notes, and when you're ready, save it by choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner to edit it. Now you can make your changes and discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner, or save them by choosing save at the top right one. As you can see, my event was edited, but if you wish to get rid of it, you can always tap on it, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on delete at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!